Hey everyone, welcome back to Nubian Tech Tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Steam Guard in 2023. Steam Guard is an important security feature that helps protect your Steam account from unauthorized access. By enabling Steam Guard, you can ensure that only you can access your account even if someone else manages to get hold of your login details. So let's get started. The first step is to log into Steam. The first step to enabling Steam Guard is to log into your Steam account. You can do this either using the Steam application on your desktop or laptop, or by visiting the Steam website and logging in there. Step 2. Open Steam Settings. Once you are logged into Steam, click on the Steam button at the top left corner of the window. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, click on Settings. Step 3. Activating the Steam Guard. To activate the Steam Guard, press on Manage Steam Guard on Account. Then press on Get Steam Guard codes by email. Then you will need to sign in again. To re-sign in, write your password here, which you can see. Press sign in. Then what you have to do is that you are going to copy and paste the code provided into this section. Paste it here, and voila, we are done. The Steam Guard has been activated. Thanks for watching and see you later.